Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we've been giving away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new HVAC Layout Pack. This handy layout pack will definitely promote any HVAC company with style. The clean and bold design makes content extremely easy to read. There are specially crafted calls to action to help attract new customers. Plus, there are dedicated pages for showcasing all of your services with custom icons that can easily be used for any HVAC website. So go ahead and check it out. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can access pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of the pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding your corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Let's get started by going to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option to choose a pre-made layout, and from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll and find the HVAC Layout Pack and click on it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different pages included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and find the one that you want and then go ahead and click Use this layout. Once the layout loads onto the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. Once done, you're ready to add a new primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Over on the left, you'll see a list of all of the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. And then make sure and select primary menu for your display location. Then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings and then to Reading. There, under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page, and then for the homepage, select the homepage with the corresponding homepage layout. After that, click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the HVAC Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.